uh, Morning Moon channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to see for Sofitel Rapid Computers and Service. They are selling used laptop and chip level servicing. We will see the one by one. They are very more experienced in chip level servicing because laptop is most of time we are getting problem in display IC and power IC and battery issue, everything they are doing that. Motherboard chip level services must be need to do after 5 years or 3 years, anytime it can happen for the problems, the technical issues, any hardware issues, we are the solution. And anyone have any laptop for hardware issues, please contact to us. I will give the proper solution and permanent solution, a reasonable cost for chip level servicing. And main thing they are doing for used laptop for for the Apple. For Apple laptop is used laptop is not be get cheaper. It's a reasonable cost. We are also selling for used Apple laptops. Uh, we can go and see how they are doing the chip level service. Applied Computer Trading Service, they are doing laptop repair and desktop repair and TV repair, PlayStation repair and motherboard chip level repair. In the shop, they have cash counting machine and CPU and TV also they are doing for repairing, and server. Main thing is server is a long time working for our corporate companies. If any issues from motherboard or RAM issue, processor issue, and fan, most of time the fan problem also come. This shop, many of technicians are more familiar and more experienced guys. They are doing for the server repair and SMBS issue and processor issues and many things. They are doing for recovery also, data recovery. Sometime for unexpected things it can happen from technically for hardware issues. We are specialized for the main for laptop and server and motherboard chip level service. They are the specialized experience and technical. They are studying well for micro repairing for the chip level services, because all microscope they are finding the issues and resolving and resoldering and for chip level, what are things of you are doing? Are you busy? The technician is very busy for soldering. Laptop display IC issues will be happen. What they are doing solution for laptop chip. This is a motherboard from PlayStation motherboard. There sometime PlayStation is a port problem or power IC issue, some overheat, some of technical issues will come. That time they will use for the blower and heat the IC. Reboiling also in PlayStation also they are doing reboiling. In most of chip level servicing, when they are doing time, all laptop not be get successfully to be repaired. Some of laptop, dead laptop also it can happen, because the IC will get dry after 10 years or 5 years. Very old laptop, it cannot repair also. This shop is most of familiar with, more experience with Apple laptop. Hi bro.
Hi brother.
How are you? What you doing? Most of time you are doing for Apple laptop for repairing chip level service. Many of microscope. Many motherboards are there.
That's a big one.
They are selling with SSD hard disk, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB SSD hard disk. You know the SSD hard disk. If you buy, this is of chip level storage, IC storage. This is a NVMe Express. You can easily 350 or 450. You can buy this SSD NVMe SSD. Easily you can make on the compact. You can carry for external storage.
Yeah, you have this one?
Online computer service, they are more specialized for chip level service and repairing for TV, PlayStation, and many things. And user laptop also they are very familiar. They have lot of stock with Apple user laptop, Dell laptop, Lenovo service. They are more have stock for user laptop for Apple laptop, Lenovo, and Dell. Reasonable cost they are selling with user laptop and user computers, Apple computers. The laptops are reasonable cost they are selling, and light used laptop. Whenever if you buy any user laptop, MacBook Pro or MacBook Apple Air, you have to check that most of time major repair are done. They are open motherboard issues or anything happen. We have to check proper, and we have to check the dent. Most of used laptop have dent also, little dent only. Some of laptop is more dent also. It can happen because they are some people careless. They are carrying to be fall down also. It can happen. And the touch screen buttons, everything was working. We have to check. And the storage is a 1 TB. This one. What is the configuration? We have to check proper. Then only you can buy. Before buying any things, you have to test it proper, because used things it can be cheaper only, not new things is compare used one, maybe difference will be there. But used things, you have to main thing, you have to check from which year model, how much resale cost. See, this laptop is i9. i9 is more advanced processor and 32 GB for RAM and UHD for 1.5 GB graphics. This is a higher end laptop. I don't know what is the price this one. Maybe new one, if you buy this one, maybe 13,000 real, Qatar real is more expensive laptop for MacBook Pro. But this one, maybe they will give lesser price, maybe 6,000 or 7,000 or 2,000, 3,000, maybe you will get less price, or I don't know how much. We have to ask them. If anybody interested, please make comments in my YouTube channel, then I will update you, because this is also one of MacBook Pro. This is small one, it's a big screen. This one, I don't know, this one no power, maybe no battery. It's MacBook Air. Here HP laptop, the old MacBook Pro. I love for Apple laptop because Apple laptop is good performance. You have to learn for Mac OS. Mac OS is a very easy one and user friendly also. Compare Windows, it's a very nice product for Apple. This is a long years before they launched, maybe 5-10 years back. This laptop, see this much weight also, it's a good one only. But nowadays is advanced level laptop is came. Here they have tab also, nice Microsoft tab. They are expanding for shops.
Yeah, 18637, huh?
Please subscribe to our channel. Any subscriber, any new views from my channel. Please contact us any for laptop issues or IT related anything, any problems or new requirement. You can contact to me. I will give the solutions and reasonable cost. Okay, thank you for watching our videos.